How to fix Snapchat camera. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, and after that scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them back, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete, go back, click on data usage, make sure that all these options are enabled, go back, click on the power usage details, click on the app launch and disable this manage automatically option, and make sure to enable all those options. And the last thing you want to do now is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.